Welcome to CodeSoap EdTech. Today we'll see how we are going to map these associations to the database and how to implement this particular class diagram in programming languages like C++ or Java. Okay, we'll be doing this in Star UML. So you can see this person and account, there is 1:n multiplicity between these. And we're going to create this. The first step is to create a class diagram in Star UML. You can refer the video above our previous videos to see how class diagram can be created. Once we have the class diagram created, we'll add extensions to implement this in programming language. Right, so we are going to go for tools and then you can click on extension manager. So in extension manager, we need C++ and Java, right? We'll do one by one. Sometimes the search bar will not really work. So what you can do is you can manually search it. So you can search for C++. You can see C# over here. Scroll down. So you go to C++. You can click on install. Okay, the extension has been downloaded and will be installed. And you can click on reload over here. So whenever we are adding an extension, Star UML has to reload. So you can click on reload. So now that it's reloaded, you can see over here in tools, C++ is added. Similarly, we need Java. So you're going to extension manager, search for Java over here. Sometimes it works, the search bar, sometimes it doesn't work. In that case, you can search manually. So Java. Then click on install over here. So see, you have to reload again. It will auto reload. Now you can see even Java is added to our extensions. Now let's try generating the code for C++ first. You can go for tools and click on C++ generate code. Choose the model, click OK. It will ask you the file location. I just simply want to share in documents. Maybe I'll create a new folder. Okay. I have a new folder. I'll choose this folder and I'm going to. So it would have created an instance of C++ over here. Let's go and check. So this is the folder I created. In this folder you can see something called as model. So this will be, you can see C++ file for account and person. So if I open it, you can see it adds the functions associated with the account. And .h file here will contain your attributes. So we have successfully implemented the class diagram into C++. Similarly, we are going to do the same thing for Java. Go for tools. Since we already added the extension for Java, you can just click on Java and click on generate code. And then you can click on model over here and OK. I'm going to choose previous folder. So you can choose Star UML folder, select folder. Okay. Just give it a minute. You can go and you can check in Star UML. Sometimes it doesn't load sometimes. Sometimes for Java, especially for Java, sometimes you'll have to do it twice. CPP loads faster, but Java sometimes will have trouble. So I'm going to click on generate code again and I'm going to choose this model. Okay. And I'm going to choose the same folder, model folder. Okay. And because it will be the same name, sometimes clashing issue might also come. So just try to see that you're saving it in a unique location. So I just click on model. So a model file will be created inside this model. So just select it folder. And now we'll go back and check. So this is my folder I created, model. You can see these are CPP file and a newly created model is existing here. So you can see it is a Java file and Java file. You can just open one of the files and recheck. It has Java extensions and account, a method, and it has your methods as well as variables. All of this is set in Java. That's it with respect to C++ and Java. Now let's see how are we mapping this particular class to a database table. For that, we need another extension, that is OOAD diagram. Right, so I'm going to go for Tools, Extension Manager. So we can search for Entity Relationship Data Model Generation to OOAD. OOAD, look, you can click on Install over here. So just click on Reload. Okay, now it has reloaded. Okay, so you can see, and you can see our installed extensions from here. You can go for you can see a new extension has come, that is database. So before that, go to Extension Manager and you can click on Install. So to show you all the extensions that you have installed. So C++, OOAD and Java. Now that OOAD has been installed, and when you do not need these extensions, you can simply remove them here and reinstall as and when needed. So I'm going to close this and we're going to map it to the database. So once you have installed the OOAD extension from database, you can choose MySQL or generate OOAD model or MySQL server. So for you have to configure the server and then have a model created. Otherwise, you can. So when you have SQL server set up, you can easily use this database to get this done. So that's it. That's how you add an extensions for database creation. See, you will see this message that failed to connect to localhost because we have not set up localhost or MySQL, hence you're not seeing a database table. Once you have a MySQL setup, you can see the table results there.